Hello everyone. Hello. Okay. Good morning everyone. Thank you for taking the time to attend this meeting. Today, we will focus on discussing the launch strategy for our new product, NutriFresh. This product is one of our creative this year. So I want to this discussion to be done and build structure. We will cover our target market, unique selling proposition, promotional channels, and potential challenges. By the end of this meeting, I expect you to have a clear and actionable strategy.
Good morning, this is Tina. This is Ella. I am completely agree. From a branding perspective, the initial launch phase is extremely critical. First impressions will strongly influence long-term brand perception. If we fail to position the brand correctly at the beginning, it will be difficult to change that perception later.
Good morning. From a digital standpoint, the first few weeks after launch are crucial. Early engagement significantly affects social media algorithm and online visibility. That's by theming, messaging, and execution at the early stages Let's start with our target market. Based on preliminary research conducted by the marketing team, NutriFresh is aimed at consumers aged 20 to 40, particularly urban residents who are increasingly health conscious. They tend to have busy lifestyles and are looking for practical yet nutritious programs. What are your thoughts?
Okay, I think that direction is appropriate, but we should narrow it down further. If we try to target everyone, our message might become too broad. From a branding perspective, I suggest focusing on two main segments: young professionals and young families. Young professional is usually held over the time constrained, while young families are more selective about nutritional intake for themselves and their children.
I agree with that segmentation. Based on typical data, user age to 23 to 35 are the most active in searching for content related to healthy lifestyle, blood sugar diets, functional preference, and protein intake. They also respond well to digital advertising and influencer recommendations.
So, can we conclude that our primary target market is young professionals and young families living in urban areas with a middle to upper income level?
Yes, and in addition to demographics, we should emphasize psychographic factors. These consumers want to live their lives but still value convenience. They want practical solutions that fit into their daily routines.
That specific insight will be very useful for digital storytelling. You can position NutriFresh as a product that supports a healthy lifestyle without achieving complexity.
Now, let's move on to the unique selling proposition. NutriFresh offers several benefits: low sugar, high protein, no preservatives, and made from fresh local milk. Which of them should be highlighted as our main USP?
In my opinion, we should keep the USP simple and memorable, communicating to many benefits and one can confuse consumers. I recommend focusing on a low sugar healthy drink that still tastes good. Many healthy products fail because consumers feel they sacrifice taste.
I completely agree on digital platforms, simple and emotional message for computer. We can communicate with requests as a drink that allow people to enjoy a healthy option without food.
So our key message is not just about being healthy, but also about being enjoyable and convenient.
Exactly. From a brand personality perspective, NutriFresh should feel friendly, modern, and approachable, not strict or overly clinical like some health products.
We can also roll out the USP gradually. For example, early content can focus on taste and enjoyment, while later content educates consumer about the nutritional benefits.
Okay, let's discuss our promotional channels next. Sela, please your recommendation from a digital marketing perspective.
Our primary approach shall be digital first. We shall focus on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Short as best platform available with our target audience. Content can be divided into several categories, like nutritional, education, lifestyle content, user testimonial, and behind the scenes budget stories.
Hmm, what about influencer marketing?
We shall collaborate with micro-influencer in health, fitness, and activity lifestyle needs. While they may have smaller followings, their credibility and engagement level tend to be high.
Okay, that's important. Influencer must align with our brand values. Authenticity is more valuable than reach out.
How about offline promotion?
Offline activities should complement digital effort. Project sampling at gyms, co-working space, carefully guided event and sport activities will allow consumers to experience the product here. These activities can also generate content for digital platform.
The integration of online and offline experience is key. Direct product experience strengthens the storytelling present online.
Now let's talk about potential challenge. From my perspective, market competition is one of the biggest challenges as the healthy beverage food market is already crowded.
I agree. Another major challenge is building trust. Consumers are often skeptical of health claims. Transparency will be crucial, especially regarding nutritional information.
Now, from the digital side, the main challenge is content saturation. Many brands are competing for attention on the same platform.
What solution can we implement?
Consistency and storytelling. We can give like real stories behind our local ingredients, production process, and real consumer experience.
I will add consistency in brand messaging across all touch points. What we promise in our communication must match the actual product experience.
To summarize today's discussion, our primary target market is young professionals and young families in urban areas who follow health and convenience. Our main USP is our sugar healthy beverage that is practical and enjoyable. Our promotional strategy focuses on digital marketing supported by strategic offline activities. The main challenges are intense competition and building consumer trust.
I will prepare brand guidelines to ensure consistent messaging and visual intensity across all channels.
I will start developing the content calendar, influencer strategy, and freelance digital campaigns.
Thank you for the productive discussion. With a well-prepared strategy and strong execution, I am confident that the launch of NutriFresh will be successful.
Success. Yeah.